Hey, it's Brianne Hagenhoff here. I have had some questions on how to add pictures to your actual emails that go out in your back office or that you're sending in your back office. So I'm going to show you a little trick here. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to photobucket.com. And this is not something you have to do, but I wanted to show those of you that are wanting to do it. If you haven't created an account, you'll probably have to create an account with PhotoBucket, but I have one, so I'm going to upload an image. And I will tell you, PhotoBucket has a lot of ads, so you'll just have to close those out as they pop up. So while that's opening, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to do it like I didn't have this up already. So I'm going to go to 31today.com and it already signed me in since I was signed in. I'm going to click on Virtual Office. And then to send an email, you're going to go to Contacts. And then you'll come over here and actually click on Contacts. So this is going to pull up all of your contacts and this little email button right here. So it's going to send an email to all valid email addresses. So I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to give it a title. Let's say, I'll just say this, 5 days left of our awesome special. Okay, so then I'm going to go back over to PhotoBucket. Hopefully it's going to let me upload. Let's try this again. Okay, so it's going to make me log in again. So as you can see, I logged in using Facebook. That's how I created the account. And then I'm just going to click Upload. And then it's going to take me to this screen where I can choose photos or videos. And I'm going to go into, I create a folder for each month, so I'm going to go into my May folder. And where's my customer special? Sorry. Okay, so let's say I'm going to attach the May customer special flyer. So I'm going to add that. If you scroll down, it's going to show you your progress of your picture. So it's already uploaded. I'm going to click on it. And then it's going to pull up in this big screen here. And over here to the right, if you scroll down, there's this direct number. You're going to highlight that. You're going to copy it. And you're going to go back to your email that you created here. And this little picture looking thing right here, it says Insert Image. Click on that. Delete whatever's in that web address. And you're going to paste what you just copied from PhotoBucket. And you're going to insert it. And there's your picture. So you can type around this. I usually type something first before I add a picture, which I did not do here. So I'm just going to, let's just say, okay, so then like you could type whatever you want and then you can add the picture. I already have it copied, so I'm just going to paste it, insert it. There's my wording, there's my picture. If you want to add wording after the picture, just scroll down and all the way over and just click on the bottom corner of it and then hit enter. I'm going to scroll back over, sorry. And then you'll be able to type more on that. So you can add several pictures, you can type in there and then add pictures. So say I want to go back and let's say I want to add another picture in here. So I'm going to go back to PhotoBucket. Oops, wrong screen. And like I said, there's a lot of ads on PhotoBucket, which is the only bad thing about it. So you can just exit out of those, or like I did, go back. So I'm going to choose another photo that I want to put on here. I'm going to actually post the $26 deal. So I want to add that into my email. So I'm going to click on that again. So I'm going to show you again how to get it. So you're going to click on the image and then scroll down, and over here where this direct number is, or HTTP, whatever you want to call it. So you're going to copy that. Again, the ads. So then go back to the email, and let's just say I have another special deal going for 3 more days. Okay, and then I'm going to go over here again, delete what's in there, insert what I just copied, and I'm going to insert that picture. So then you can see here I've added that picture. So if you guys don't know this, on your back office when you're sending an email, you can actually preview the email, which doesn't give you a great example, but you can kind of see what it looks like. It's not cut off on the actual email like it looks like it is here. So there it is. So that's how you add a picture to your email. I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, let me know. Thanks.